Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is differential equation, exercise 15.5. Exercise 15.5 from the book ML Overall. From the book ML Overall. Okay. See, from the book ML Overall, exercise 15.5 for ISC board book. Solve the following differential equation. Question number 1, first part, it is given x plus y whole square dy by dx is equal to 1. This is the type of question what is given here, x plus y whole square into dy dx equal to 1. First of all, you have to separate the variables, but here we cannot separate. You have to substitute x plus y as u or v. I am taking let x plus y is equal to u. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, it will be 1 plus dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Then dy by dx will be how much? Du by dx minus 1. You have to put the value of dy by dx as du by dx minus 1. Therefore, it will be x plus y whole square means u square whole into du by dx minus 1 equal to 1. Just here I am substituting the value of dy dx, that is dy dx minus 1 and x plus y u. Next you do one thing, u square take that side, 1 by u square. Therefore du by dx will be 1 by u square plus 1. Listen, taking LCM, this will be 1 plus u square by u square. Now you have to separate the variables. This will be u square du by 1 plus u square integration. Dx will come this side, dx. After separation of variables, you have to integrate both sides. U square du by 1 plus u square equal to dx. Okay, after taking LCM, this will be 1 plus u square by u square. It is coming this side, u square by 1 plus u square integration equal to dx. Do one thing here, you have to add 1 in the numerator, adding 1 and subtracting 1, this will be u square plus 1 minus 1. I am doing just to see. See here, I have added 1 and subtracted 1. After that you separate the fraction. U square plus 1 by 1 plus u square, this will be 1 du minus 1 by 1 plus u square means du by 1 plus u square. This square will be x plus c, integration constant. After that 1 du means u, integration du by 1 plus u square is tan inverse u is equal to x plus c. And what is u that I have taken? U means x plus y, putting the value of u as x plus y minus tan inverse x plus y is equal to x plus c. Now this x will be cancelled out. Therefore, y will be how much? Y is equal to, take that way, tan inverse x plus y plus c the answer. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse x plus y plus c. Taking this one, that side. Tan inverse x plus y plus c, this x cancel and y left. Y is equal to this one. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Let us go to the second part of number 1. Second part question given dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. It is given and you have to solve this differential equation. You have to substitute let 4x plus y plus 1 as u. Differentiating both sides, this will be 4 dx, d by dx of x means this is 1, d by dx of x is what will come 1, and this one is du by dx, this is 0, and this is du by dx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. This will be 4. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to du by dx. 4 you take that side. This will be minus 4. So, what is the value of dy by dx? That is du by dx minus 4. And you have to substitute this value dy by dx here. Then what you will get? du by dx minus 4 equal to u square. Just see. Now question become this will be converted to du by dx minus 4 equal to u square. This minus 4 you take that side. This will be 4 plus u square. After that you have to separate the variables. Du by 4 plus u square is equal to dx. After that you have to integrate. After the separation of variables you have to integrate both sides. So what is the formula for this one? Du by 4 means 2 ka whole square plus u square is equal to x plus c. So what is the formula for this? This will be 1 by 2 tan inverse u by 2 equal to x plus c. Now half tan inverse, what is u? U means 4x plus y plus 1 by 2 equal to x plus c. And this is the required solution of the above differential equation. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving number 1, second part. Let us go number 2. Question number 2, first part, it is given x minus y whole square into dy by dx is equal to a square. This is the question given. Let x minus y is equal to u. Differentiating both sides, this will be 1 dy by dx is equal to du by dx. From here you can find easily dy by dx, it will be how much? 1 minus du by dx is equal to dy by dx. And you have to substitute the value of dy by dx as 1 minus du by dx, and this will be u square. That means u square into 1 minus du by dx is equal to a square. Just see. See, it will become u square whole into 1 minus du by dx is equal to a square. After that u square you divide that side. 1 minus du by dx is equal to a square by u square. After that 1 minus a square by u square is equal to du by dx. This will become u square minus a square by u square is equal to du by dx. After that you have to separate the variables. How it will come? It will dx this side, and this will be u square by u square minus a square into du. After the separation of variables, you have to integrate both sides. Dx integration is x, no doubt. Here do one thing here. U square minus a square and plus a square. Subtracted u a square and added a square. Why I am doing like this? Just to follow. This will become, if I separate the fraction u square minus a square by u square, this will be 1 du plus a square constant taking outside du by u square minus a square. Now tell me, 1 du means integration is u plus a square. So what is the formula for u du by u square minus a square? This is nothing but 1 by 2a log u minus a by u plus a. U plus a. Okay, just see. Now x is equal to, what is the value of u? That is x minus y. The value of u is x minus y, and this will be a square by 2a, means a by 2 log plus here right integration constant log u means x minus y minus a by x minus y plus a plus c. Now x both side cancel, minus y bring this side. So what is the final result? The final result will be y is equal to minus y bring this side, y is equal to a by 2 log. Final answer will be, just to see, final answer will be y is equal to a by 2 log x minus y minus a divided by x minus y plus a and plus c. This is the solution of the required question number 2 first part. I hope you are able to understand. Let us go number 2 second part. Number 2 second part, it is given dy by dx is equal to tan square x plus y. It is given. You have to solve the differential equation. Let x plus y is equal to u. Now differentiating both sides, this will be 1. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. 1 plus dy dx is equal to dy dx. Now this will be dy dx will be how much? dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus 1. Now put the value of dy dx as du by dx minus 1 is equal to tan square u. Do one thing here, du by dx, this minus 1 take that, this will be 1 per tan square, 1 per tan square is sec square u. Sec square u. After that, du by sec square u is equal to dx. Separation of variables completed, after that integrating both sides. And this is nothing but integration of cos square u. Cos square formula is what? Cos square u du, this will be x plus c. What is the formula for cos square u? That is 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2u by 2 whole du equal to x plus c. 1 plus cos 2u means 2 cos square u by 2 only cos square u. Cos square u, there is no formula for integration cos square u. You have to write in terms of multiple again, that is 1 plus cos 2u by 2. After that you can easily integrate, means 1 by 2 taken outside, 1 du and cos 2u du. Just see. Next to see, this is 1 by 2, 1 du integration is how much? U, and this is integration cos 2u means sin 2u by 2 equal to x plus c. After that, if you take 1 by 2 inside, this will be u by 2. U means what? U means x plus y. X plus y. Otherwise, keep it like this. X plus y by 2 plus sin 2 into x plus y by 4 equal to x plus c. After that, taking LCM 4, this will be 2x plus 2y, and this will be sin 2 whole into x plus y by 4. 4 you take that side, this will be 4x plus 4c means another constant you can write. So what is the final result? That the final result will be 2y is equal to, taking that side, 2y is equal to 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 2x plus 2y plus c. This is the answer. This is the required solution of number 2, second part. In this way, 4 questions I have completed from the chapter differential equation. Let us go to number 3. See, number 3, first part it is given dy by dx 3x plus y plus 4 whole square given. So let 3x plus y plus 4 is equal to u. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, this will be 3 plus dy by dx, this will be 0, and this is du by dx. After that, dy by dx will be du by dx minus 3. Put in the value of dy by dx as du by dx minus 3 equal to, this will be u square. Just to see, so it will be how much? Therefore, du by dx minus 3 is equal to u square. Finally getting how much? Du by dx is equal to u square plus 3. Next, du by u square, 3 means I can write here root 3 whole square, and this is dx. Separation of variable completed. After that, you have to integrating both sides. Next, it will be which formula? Du by u square plus root 3 whole square means 1 by root 3 tan inverse u by root 3 plus c is equal to x. And this is the solution of number 3 first part. Okay, let us go to number 3 second part. The number 3 second part question given like this: cos x plus y dy is equal to dx. This is the question given. Next you write dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos x plus y. Yes or no? Let x plus y is equal to u. Differentiating both sides, 1 plus dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Therefore, this will be du by dx minus 1 taken that side, equal to how much? 1 by cos u. 1 by cos u. This implies du by dx is equal to 1 by cos u plus 1, that means 1 plus cos u by cos u. After that, you have to separate the variables, so this will be cos u by 1 plus cos u du is equal to dx. After separation of variables, you have to integrate both sides. Okay? Cos u by 1 plus cos u du is equal to dx integration. You can do here one thing, adding 1 and subtracting 1. It will be more easier to solve. If I add here, adding 1, subtracting 1, just to see. Here I have added 1 and subtracted 1 in the numerator. Then you separate the fraction. This will be 1 du minus integration du by 1 plus cos u. And this side completed, that is x plus c. After that, what is the result will come? Just to see. 1 du means u minus, see, 1 plus cos u means 2 cos square u by 2. Then this will be 2 means it will be 1 by 2 means du by 2 cos square u is equal to x plus c. What is u? U have taken, that is x plus y. U is equal to x plus y minus half. And this is nothing but du by 1 plus cos u, 2 cos square u by 2, sorry, 2 cos square u by 2. Half I have taken outside, in integration sec square u by 2 du is equal to x plus c. Now both sides x cancel. So y is equal to, this will be, what is the integration of sec square u by 2? This will be tan u by 2 by 1 by 2. Coefficient of u 1 by 2 divided equal to x plus c. This is c, sorry, x plus c. Now half of cancel, that means y is equal to how much? Y is equal to, see, this x also cancel here, x is cancel. So not only c left here, x and c left. Therefore, half of cancel, tan u means what? X plus y by 2 plus c. Y is equal to tan x plus y by 2 plus c. And this is the required answer of number 3, second part. In this 6 questions I have completed from the chapter differential equation exercise 15.5. Okay, thank you for today's class.